guy, we are Burke Lake, somewhere in Fairfax, Virginia.
It's a great lake to have
Yeah.
fun with your family and just do a lot of cool and neat things and enjoy time with your family and friends and relax.
So yeah, you can see this lake is so natural. I will advise you guys come here anytime and just have a feel of this lake. Is so natural.
And this is Lake Burke, by the way.
Nature. Oh, you can see. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful.
Very similar to our lake in Lake Burke. Very similar.
Yeah, it's similar one.
Diesel denim, buy another with my pockets fight like ever. Neck froze like I don't know no better. Benzo truck, white seats and they leather. Go broke never, on my grind. She make it clap like I'm Busta Rhymes. Got the juicy sauce and all them things. I blamed her twice a night before my bling. Big Benz I drive, I brought that thing. Any girl you want, they want my ting.
Don't rush, slow touch, grind on whack. I go gun, grab and back. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, me go off. I'm the type, and it's so tough. Flood my eyes, make a whole blush. Back of the tour bus, getting cool up. D square, got on de-stress. Got a hand wash, new racks with the old Nikes in the shoebox. Keep my straps, no cuss. Pull up in a new plate, she might just. She went tryna move bait, and her eyes locked. New tints on a coupe, that's a head loss. Off my whites, right my wrongs. G my mum, while you through your thumbs. Count my sums, this is gonna get long. Live my green, I'm tryna get strong. Tryna get on, where I'm from, it's on. Yes, and don't take no dumb threats. They see funds, they hop friends. You been up, not up. Next, 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 next. Don't rush, slow touch, grind on whack. I go gun, grab and back. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, me go off. I'm the type, when it's so tough. Don't rush, slow touch, grind on whack. I go gun, grab and back. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, me go off. I'm the type, when it's so tough. Don't rush, slow touch, grind on whack. I go gun, grab and back. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, me go off. I'm the type, and it's so tough. Don't rush, slow touch, grind on whack. I go gun, grab and back. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, me go off. I'm the
Yo, put the belly on the body, make a clutch. See no watch, now she wanna give crutch. Boy got keys, now she hopping in the pod. Man, a real life sugar gal, I forget what. She want dark, told her meet me at the top. Switching lanes the other day, I seen her waiting for a bus. Maybe just a Moncler sweater, diesel denim. Buy another with my pockets fight like ever. Neck froze like I don't know no better. Benzo truck, white seats and they leather. Go broke never, on my grind. She make it clap like I'm Busta Rhymes. Got the juicy sauce and all them things. I blamed her twice a night before my bling. Big Benz I drive, I brought that thing. Any girl you want, they want my ting.
Don't rush, slow touch, grind on whack. I go gun, grab and back. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, me go off. I'm the type, and it's so tough. Flood my eyes, make a whole blush. Back of the tour bus, getting cool up. Got a hand wash, new racks with the old Nikes in the shoebox. Keep my straps, no cuss. Pull up in a new plate, she might just. She went tryna move bait, and her eyes locked. New tints on a coupe, that's a head loss. Off my whites, right my wrongs. G my mum, while you through your thumbs. Count my sums, this is gonna get long. Love my green, I'm tryna get strong. Tryna get on, where I'm from, it's on. Yes, and don't take no dumb threats. They see funds, they hop friends. We been up, not up. Next, 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 next. Don't rush, slow touch, grind on white. I go country, grab and buy. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go up. Catch my vibe, we go off. I'm the type, when it's so tough. Don't rush, slow touch, grind on white. I go country, grab and buy. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go up. Catch my vibe, we go off. I'm the type, when it's so tough. Don't rush, slow touch, grind on white. I go country, grab and buy. Can go bust, eye for eye. Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go up. Catch my vibe, we go off. I'm the type, and it's so tough.
It's a windmill, but just a windmill, but it looks like it was probably used for powering like either energy or something, maybe water or whatever. I wish it had a sign for it.
And the railway too.
Yeah, okay. So wow, as you can see, this is wonderful to see this old machine that they used back in the day to powering some source of either energy like through water. So this is like a windmill at the very top. It was fanning earlier because the wind was blowing. And then that drum would have been like some source of energy. We also have railroad tracks here. So this probably took you from Fairfax to William County and different parts of Northern Virginia. This park has a lot of history, but they also said be careful of high voltage. So as you can see, they use this for some type of
Oh, this is kind of shocking. Look at Burke Junction. So it's probably could be back then could be.
Well, this was a landmark. Yeah, terminal.
Yeah.
This was a terminal to take the train. Wow. Wow, this has a lot of history. This was actually a terminal where you would take the train. Wow, look at the view of everything. This was very interesting. They used this for a lot of energy and powering back probably in the early 1900s. And the fact this is a railroad track that says Burke Junction, that means that people probably purchased a ticket here to go through other parts of Northern Virginia.
Yeah, those days.
So this is very interesting to see that there was a place where people took the train. The train tracks are right here. This is way before the subway system.
Can lose trust. Right wrong, easy pop. Where you they go up. Catch my vibe, we go off. I'm the type, and it's so tough.
2 or 3 weeks or something. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us at Burke Lake. We had a nice time. I hope you did too. We will be, of course, doing a lot more videos. We definitely appreciate all of your subscribers and just, liking our channel. Thank you so much for following the Jeezies. So continue to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family, and have a great day. Be safe and stay positive. Take care.
Peace out.
This is gonna get long. Live my green, I'm trying to get strong. Trying to get fun.